Hi children, look here. What do you see in this picture? What do you feel about it? Read the quotation. It is written by Albert Einstein. Do you agree with his words? Okay, now let us go for a nature walk and understand everything better. Look here, so many tall trees. We can see small plants too. Look, different types of flowers. Feel the sweet fragrance. What a cool breeze. Rustling sound of leaves. Look there, friends. Varieties of birds and animals. Look, here is a brook. What a clear water. Babbling sound is very sweet. Wow, feel the tenderness of leaves. Here is a waterfall. It is roaring. Look here, a dragonfly. What a silence. Shall we sit here? Children, do you like our nature walk? Now, complete this activity and also write a description about nature. How far is the river? Between the boy and the river stood a mountain. The boy was young and the river was small, but the mountain was big. The thickly forested mountain hid the river, but the boy knew it was there. He had never seen the river with his own eyes, but from the villagers he had heard of it, of the fish in it, its waters, and of its rocks. He wished to touch the water and to know it personally.